subscribe to my channel and press bell icon for latest updates.
Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. In this class, we'll try to understand examples. We'll try to solve examples on De Morgan's law. In our previous class, we have clearly discussed about De Morgan's law. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video and come back here. And every video in our channel is going to be a part of entire course or a playlist. Our suggestion is to follow the entire playlist so that you can have the better understanding of the concepts. And the link for the playlist is provided in the description below. In this class, we will try to solve these Boolean expressions by using the De Morgan's law. Now coming to this first example, our first example, it is the complement of, so we have the Boolean expression is A plus B bar dot C plus D bar whole complement. We are trying to find the complement of this Boolean expression. So whenever we try to find the complement of Boolean expression, it can be simplified by using the Boolean equation, Boolean law, sorry, De Morgan's law. So how it can be simplified is, whenever we have a dot, so whenever we have product of variables, so this combination you consider it as one variable, and this combination we consider it as one variable. Whenever we have the product of variables, the product of variables can be represented as A plus B. The product of these variables is represented by A bar. For example, if you take this as A and this one as B, C plus D bar whole bar. Okay, so it is A bar plus B bar. So product of variables can also be represented by using sum of individual complements, sum of the individual complements. So which is this one. Now again we can demorganize. Demorganize means again we can apply the De Morgan's law on this. It is again the complement of A plus B bar. So using the demorganization law, so we have discussed about the demorganization also. So how to convert this is, if you do the demorganization on this, convert all the ands to rs and rs to ands. Here we have r, so this is getting converted into and similarly here also we can apply the De Morgan's law, and this the r will be converted into and. Again what we have to do is we have to find the complement of each and every variable. So the complement of each and every variable is A bar plus B bar whole bar. So the B bar whole bar will get cancelled and it becomes B. So we have seen the complement law. In our previous videos we have covered all the laws. So in those laws we have seen the complement law, where we have discussed that a variable complement, whole complement is going to be the variable. And if you complement this also, so this one is going to be a plus, and this is C complement, D complement, whole complement, which is equal to D. So the final simplification of this expression is going to be A complement B plus C complement D. Okay. Now coming to this example, if you try to apply De Morgan's law on this Boolean expression, we are trying to find the complement of this. So the complement of this means the entire Boolean expression means we can use the De Morgan's law. So the De Morgan's law states that wherever, so consider this as variable, this as one variable, so this piece as one variable, A, B, C. So in that visualization we will try to convert, we will try to simplify it step by step. Okay, now this one is going to be, so what is the first step? First step in the demorganization is convert all the ands to r or all the r's to and. So we are not going to disturb this plus value. We are going to consider only these dots and these and symbols, and we are going to convert it into pluses. Okay, now we have to complement each and every variable. So every variable has to be complemented, which is equal to AB bar whole bar. And similarly the second variable is CD bar, second variable is CD plus E bar F whole complement. So this entire part is considered as one variable. Later we will try to simplify this. So we are not going to directly simplify it. It creates a lots of confusion. So we will try to simplify it step by step. Now again, this is considered as C. So this C is AB bar plus CD bar whole complement. Okay. So now AB bar whole bar is going to be AB plus this can also be demorganized because we are trying to find the complement of this entire expression. So this entire expression CD plus E bar F complement we can demorganize. So how to demorganize? Consider the unds converted to ors and ors converted to unds. So this is what we call it as, this is one variable and this is again one variable, which is CD plus E bar F and complement it. So complement every part. Are you able to get it? See here. So first we have converted plus to dot, and again we have later we have found the complement of each and every variable. So this part can also be demorganized. So how it can be demorganized? First convert plus to dot and find the complement of each and every variable. You take it as this variable, this entire part as one variable and this entire part as another variable. So now the complement of it is going to be AB bar whole bar and CD bar whole bar. Okay, now you take this simple part. This part can also be complemented and this is going to be AB plus and this is going to be, this part can be considered as C dot D whole complement. Again it can be converted into C bar plus D bar dot E bar whole bar plus F bar, and next this part is going to be AB dot CD. So if you remove this is also the same, ABCD, and this is the final equation, and this can be converted into E complement whole complement is going to be E. So the final equation, the final simplification of this can be AB plus C bar D bar dot E plus F bar plus ABCD. Now coming to this third example, we are trying to find the complement of this expression. Again the Boolean expression, the De Morgan's law can be applied. So the De Morgan's law, so we will consider each and every part as a variable, individual variable, and later we will try to simplify the smaller parts. Now coming to this, we will convert these pluses to unds. So later we have to find the complement of each and every variable. Finding the complement of each and every variable. So if you take this, this will get converted into AB complement whole complement is going to be AB, A complement whole complement is going to be A dot AB whole complement. So if you closely observe, it is AB dot AB whole complement and everything is dot. So for example, if you take this part as 1, so it is going to be a 0. If there is a 0 in the AND operation, so we have discussed about all the laws. So in that we have discussed that if there is a 0 in the AND operation, 1 0 is sufficient to make the, if all the operations are AND, and if there is a 0 in it, it is going to produce an 0. So at least if you have 1 0, it is going to produce an output of 0. So if you take this circuit, if you take the circuit of this Boolean expression, it is always going to produce a value of 0. Okay, so this is how De Morgan's law can be helpful for us to simplify the Boolean expression. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding these concepts, please post your doubts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.